Today's video is proudly sponsored by JLCMC, one of the world's leading mechanical component suppliers. JLCMC is known for competitive pricing, top quality products, and lightning-fast shipping. With over 6 lakh plus SKUs, they have everything you need for your next project. Custom linear guide shafts, precision engineered for applications like 3D printing, CNC machines, and industrial automation. Aluminum profiles, versatile, durable framing solutions perfect for machine enclosures, workstations, and custom assemblies. Every month, JLCMC adds even more new products to their catalog. Head over to JLCMC today, place your order, and enjoy a $70 discount on your purchase. Don't miss out. Visit JLCMC now and elevate your next build.